We're doing a fridge removal in the rain. This is how easy we do fridges. This is when you know they're really, it's 45 bucks to pick up, but I love it when they're always like this. This is the second one like this. It's out on the curb already. All right, so I just picked up that one. It was out on the curb, picked up that one, and then this one's outside. I'll show you. A lot of people don't like picking up fridges for a cheap price. They charge $75, $150, $200, whatever it is. We don't. We charge 45 bucks and we get them picked up fast. So I'll show you how to make $45 really, really quick. All right. Hit the corner. Is it there? All right, let me go deal with the customer. That's it. 45 bucks. Finet in the rain. It was sitting right here. That's the second one. We just went down the street and knocked another one out. 90 bucks. That's how you do it, guys. That's an easy fridge removal.